Is someone leaving your team or changing roles, and you need to revoke their Asana access? Let's get right to it. First, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of your Asana screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Admin Console. This will take you to the area where you can manage users and settings for your Asana workspace. In the Admin Console, click on the Members tab. Here you'll see a list of all the people who had access to your Asana organization. Find the person you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll see a 3-dot menu icon. Click on that icon to reveal a set of actions you can take. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Remove from Organization. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Carefully read the confirmation message, making sure you understand the implications of removing this user. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the Remove button. And that's it. The user is now removed from your Asana organization and can no longer access your projects or tasks. Don't forget to reassign any tasks that might be assigned to the removed user to keep your workflow running smoothly.